Service agents busy and frustrating business owners. Fox News' Rocky Madden is in Columbia, Illinois now with more on what's going on.
Hello, Roach Madden.
Dairy Queen here in Columbia has been stuck with phony money twice in the last month, and he's not alone. Take a look at this. A Hardee's in Belleville also hit last week.
We don't give a shit about Hardee's.
Suspects, two of them arrested minutes later, hiding in some nearby woods. The Dairy Queen owner has posted copies of those fake 20s he received. He also put a note on the door telling criminals he will prosecute. The U.S. Secret Service believes multiple offenders are at work and are responsible for passing counterfeit bills in several cases.
5 years and I've been here, we've never had a counterfeit bill. So then, to get one, I thought maybe it's a fluke, maybe it's somebody passing through. And then to get another one, I thought maybe somebody thinks we're an easy mark.
Now, since that happened, he's instructed his employees on how
God,
to
I
look for
love
real
Chad.
money. This is real right here. Look for the security marks on it. Also use these counterfeit pins like this one here to detect if they're real or not. Now, coming up at 6, you're going to hear more from the Secret Service as to when some of these counterfeit fitters may be charged. Reporting live here in Columbia, Rocky Madden, Fox 2 News.